Where'd that bird go? You're still looking for it, aren't you, babe? That was a strange... Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, my God. You can't see this. Darn it. This is amazing. This bird is just like playing with her or something. I don't know. Here she comes. Holy smokes. There she goes. It's amazing. This bird is just like always staying just out of reach. He's going to run her ragged. Just pray she doesn't slip like that. Oh, shoot. This is amazing. I don't know what that bird is, but it's definitely playing her. God help us, she better not catch him. Okay, finally a video that isn't the same old stuff, folks. I wish you could see that bird. Here she comes. Oh wow, this is amazing. This is romp till you drop. Oh, there's the bird. There he goes. Get that bird, Carly. Get that bird. Oh my gosh. She's going to be one tired dog. Oh, now you can't say that I don't let you run long enough, my girl. This is amazing. There goes the bird. And there goes Carly. Okay, this has been going on a little bit longer than 3 minutes and 18 seconds for the simple reason that I couldn't get the camera on early enough when I saw her tearing by. But I'm so grateful that that bird is making it possible for us to film this. I need a telephoto on my iPhone. There goes that bird. There goes the dog. Oh, Miss Carly, you are something else. I can barely see her in the background there. Problem is I'm not going to be able to catch her till that bird disappears. She's on a mission. Oh, where's the real video camera when you need it? Oh, come on, Mr. Birdie, leave so I can get my girl home. This is getting ridiculous. I don't want her to hurt herself. All these turning on a dime things. Oh my gosh. And now she's trying to find that scent, isn't she? Here she goes. Oh my God, this is one happy dog. This is what you were born for, huh, Miss Carly? Absolutely. And there she goes. Still trying to find that bird. With luck, she'll realize he's gone for good. And we can go home. Not only is it foggy, but it's kind of cold. I hate to be a wee-wee, but... And there she goes. Carly, dear, the bird is gone, I'm telling you. Not gonna leave it alone till you find him, huh? Well, before the iPhone gets completely full, I guess I'll turn it off. And that concludes 6 minutes and 20 seconds of Carly racing around for a bird.